Unraveling the mystery of complex language evolution in humans. Tracing the origins of language begins with primate communication. Early humans communicated through simple sounds and gestures, laying the groundwork for the complex languages we see today. As humans migrated across the globe, they encountered diverse environments and challenges. These migrations played a crucial role in diversifying human languages, as isolated groups developed their unique ways of communicating. The evolution of speech marked a significant leap in human communication. The development of vocal cords and language centers in the brain allowed for the creation and understanding of complex languages. The advent of agriculture and the formation of settled societies had a profound impact on language. As communities grew, so did the complexity of their languages, reflecting the need for advanced communication in more structured societies. Trade and interaction between different cultures acted as catalysts for language development. The exchange of goods and ideas necessitated the creation of new words and phrases, enriching the complexity of languages. The advent of writing systems marked a pivotal turn in the evolution of complex languages. It allowed for the preservation of ideas, facilitating the transfer of knowledge across generations and geographies. This permanence not only enriched language complexity but also enabled the development of literature, law, and science. Trade and cultural interactions became a crucible for language development. As societies engaged in commerce, the need for common linguistic ground led to the borrowing of words, phrases, and even grammatical structures. This melange of linguistic elements contributed to the richness and diversity of languages. Noam Chomsky's theory of universal grammar suggests that the ability to acquire language is innate to humans, hardwired into our brains. This revolutionary idea posits that all human languages share a common structural basis, which is pre-programmed into us, shaping the evolution of complex languages. Storytelling and oral traditions played a significant role in enhancing language complexity. These narratives were not just entertainment, they were the vessels of cultural wisdom, moral lessons, and historical knowledge. The art of storytelling demanded linguistic precision, creativity, and emotional depth, enriching language in the process. The phenomenon of linguistic diversity, much like the biblical Tower of Babel, can be attributed to isolation among communities. As groups became geographically separated, their languages evolved independently, leading to the rich tapestry of languages we see today. This diversity reflects the adaptability and creativity of human communication. The development of syntax and grammar marked a turning point in human communication, enabling the expression of complex ideas and emotions through structured linguistic patterns. This evolution allowed for more nuanced interactions and storytelling, fostering social cohesion and cultural evolution. As humans mastered the art of producing varied sounds, the evolution of phonetics played a crucial role in diversifying languages. This progression from basic sounds to complex speech patterns enriched communication, allowing for the conveyance of intricate and abstract concepts. Analyzing ancient texts offers a window into the linguistic evolution of our ancestors. These documents reveal how language adapted over time, reflecting changes in society, technology, and human cognition. They serve as linguistic fossils, illustrating the dynamic nature of human language. The influence of religion and scripture in shaping languages is profound. Sacred texts not only preserved languages but also standardized them, spreading specific dialects and linguistic structures as religions expanded across the globe. The Renaissance era brought about a surge in the standardization of languages. As literacy rates increased and printing technology advanced, regional dialects were unified into broader, standardized languages. This facilitated greater communication and exchange of ideas, laying the groundwork for modern languages. Colonialism and globalization have significantly influenced language development and spread, creating a complex tapestry of linguistic exchange. As empires expanded, they often imposed their languages on colonized peoples, leading to linguistic assimilation and, in some cases, the erosion of indigenous languages. However, this expansion also facilitated the borrowing of words and phrases between cultures, enriching the lexicon of many languages. The advent of technology, from the printing press to the internet, has dramatically accelerated language evolution. Innovations in communication have democratized language learning and usage, allowing for rapid dissemination of new words and ideas. This technological leap has transformed languages, making them more accessible but also subjecting them to faster changes. Looking ahead, the fate of linguistic diversity in the global village presents a paradox. While globalization promotes the use of dominant languages for wider communication, it also raises awareness about the importance of preserving linguistic heritage. Efforts to document and revive endangered languages are gaining momentum, reflecting a growing appreciation of linguistic diversity as a cultural treasure. The revival of dead languages and the preservation of endangered ones have become increasingly feasible, thanks to technological advancements and heightened global consciousness. Initiatives to document languages and educate younger generations in their ancestral tongues are pivotal in keeping these languages alive. This revival not only honors historical legacies but also enriches the cultural fabric of our global society. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our approach to understanding and creating complex languages. AI-driven language models can analyze vast datasets, uncovering patterns and structures that elude human researchers. Beyond analysis, AI is also being used to generate new languages and translate between tongues with unprecedented efficiency, opening new frontiers in linguistic study and application.